What's up, YouTube? Got another Nike outlet find here for you. This is the Nike Air Max 1 Inside Out Club Gold Black colorway. Conventional Nike Air Max box here with the red and the white Nike logo. Let's go ahead and open up the box, see what's inside. Here we have the Nike Air Max 1 Inside Out colorway. It's the Inside Out Club Gold and Black colorway. As you can see, the materials on this are completely fire. The size tag is on the outside of the tongue. All in all, it's a pretty fire shoe. Definitely check out the link in the description to buy yourself a pair. I mean, you can't go wrong with these. These are super fire. Gonna throw them on foot here in just 1 second. The red laces definitely do a great job making these pop. Tell me what you think of these in the comment section below. That StockX affiliate link in the description is something you should definitely check out because these shoes are fire. Pulling out the second pair here, the second of the pair. Notice it's pretty cool. The Nike logo is backwards. It says Air backwards too. But if you notice in the sole, it says Nike Air correctly. Great shoe. Let's see how it looks on foot. Okay, we finally have these on foot. And if you're wondering, these are Nudie jeans and there's an Amazon affiliate link to get yourself a pair in the description. These jeans look really good with sneakers, as you can see. Again, this is a Nike outlet find, so I got a crazy deal on these. I think I paid like 60 US. They're not fake, this is real. It's the Air Max 1 Inside Out. Very fire colorway. I mean, if you don't agree, you don't agree, but I think these are fire. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. The StockX link will get you a pair of these for probably a good deal. The Amazon link will get you some of the best jeans you can buy, mostly because of the warranty. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.